Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Another video. Today I'm trying out a new spot that I've never recorded at before. I've fished here one other time, but only caught two. But I also only packed a lot of light tackle. I just had a bunch of soft plastics. And the water is extremely stained. It's pretty much chocolate milk. So I just don't think they were seeing the soft plastic that easily. So I came back and I've got some top water lures with me, so we'll give that a try. I do know there are lunkers hidden over here, so hopefully we can get on at least one today. I think this will be the first episode in a new series I'm going to call Fishing Massachusetts. And I'll put the name of this pond in the title in case anybody in Massachusetts, wanted to come and fish here. Because sometimes I do get people asking oh, where are you fishing? So I figured this would just make it easier. And also I'll be trying out a bunch of new spots too, just to see what they've got. So I've got this, here I'll show you guys. Got this Mock Lures popper on. It's called a Spraying Shad. I absolutely love the Mock Lure poppers. Probably my favorite popper on the market right now. Just absolutely love its sound. Ugh. That drag is very tight. That's a lot better. Also got frogs in my bag too, so I can fish some of this heavier stuff. Let's see what they've got in there. I think if I'm just fishing the outside of it with a popper, hopefully that'll draw them out. Damn. Came up and smacked that boat side. I wasn't even working it anymore. He just came up and smoked it. Alright. Alright guys, there we go. Fish number one. Not a tank for sure, but it's nice to get the skunk out, Alright, we got one here. Is it a bass? Oh yeah, it is. He's just stuck up in the weeds. Oh. Oh, damn, that's actually a really good one. All right, hang on, guys. We actually have a real solid one here. Up in this mess of weeds here. Okay. Damn. He's gotta stop moving so much. Wow. All right, guys. This is a hog. Proper hog. Okay. Let's pop this hook out. Check that out, guys. Solid, probably 2.5 pounder. I'm not gonna weigh him, but he's a slab. There's no way around that. Let me get a quick picture of him. All right, time to send him back. There he goes. That was a tank. Proper tank right there. He smacked the blazing worm almost immediately. I mean, look at what he did to it. Just absolutely trashed it. Oh yeah. Yep. Crushed this whopper plopper. Oh, it's a pickerel. First off. So that's annoying. Is it a good one? Because if not, alright, it's a decent one. I'd really rather if he kind of like shook himself off, but I don't think that's gonna happen. So that's a good one. That's actually a pretty solid one. I just don't want to deal with it, but I guess I have no other choice. So I gotta get him in the neck. He's not gonna stop moving otherwise. Stop, dude. Make this way too difficult. Alright guys, take a good look at it, because now I'm going to try and shake him off. I don't want to get treble hooks stuck in myself, because that would just absolutely ruin my day. There we go. Alright, that was exciting. I like catching pickerel if like I'm on the shore and I can easily get them to stop moving. On the kayak is kind of another story, because they really do not stop moving. Like they really don't quit. But that's number 3. So we're having a pretty solid day. And one fish on 3 different lures. One on the popper, one on the whopper plopper, and one on the blazing worm. And I mean, that was a nice pickerel. Like, that's a pretty solid size pickerel. And normally I would try and like get a good hold of him to show you guys, but when I'm on a small kayak and it's got treble hooks in its mouth and it's not stopping, like moving, it's just a terrible idea. right, here we go. What do we got? A little pipsqueak bass. Oh my goodness, that is like, is that even like a quarter of a pound? All right, thank you. Oh, I didn't really want to deal with unhooking that little dude. All right, but that's number 4. I'm counting that as a land because I was trying to get him off without bringing him into the boat. So I'm very, very happy with that. But yeah, number 4, been a little bit of a quiet day. I mean, 4 fish is still good. Don't get me wrong. 1 or 2 more would be ideal, so I could really do like a legit video instead of like a 6-minute video. So hopefully I can get a couple more. All right, totally forgot to record, but this dude jumped out for the whopper plopper here. Decent one. I think it's pretty much the same size as the first one I caught today on the popper. Sorry for not recording it. It was a decent eat. It was all right. You guys didn't miss too much. You got to see the end result, I guess. But yeah, so that brings the total up to 5 on the day, which is a pretty successful day. Now I gotta untangle this from the net. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Just a little recap. I caught a total of 5 fish. 4 bass, 1 pickerel. One of the bass was really nice and the pickerel was actually pretty solid. That was a little jump right there. I can't tell if it's a turtle or not. There's a bunch of turtles in this pond. But yeah, so 4 bass, 1 pickerel. Oh, it's a little turtle. There he is. Yeah, 4 bass, 1 pickerel. Pretty solid day. Got a little bit of topwater bite going, as well as soft plastic bite, which is always nice. So yeah, I'm thinking this will be a series that I kick off, especially now that I'm going back to school. I'll only be able to really fish once a week probably. So I can maybe try out a new spot every week and have that just, you know, as the series. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I enjoyed fishing. So I hope you guys like, subscribe, and join me for the next video. Peace out.